If you're seeking to lose upwards to 20 plus pounds in stubborn body fat, if you've tried every single diet in the book, every single workout plan, you've tried working with this trainer, this coach, listen, I'm going to tell you something. This is the only video that you need. So save this video. I'm going to be giving you 3 simple steps. No cookie cutter, no BS. Actionable steps that you can implement within your daily routine in order to help you reach your goals. And you ask me, who are you and how are you able to have an opinion on this topic? Listen, I'm not even going to get into my backstory. I am simply someone who has lost over 35 pounds in this. I am simply someone who has tried diet after diet, workout after workout, different things. I have experienced this. I have been in the trenches with this. I am someone who has not only helped myself make this transformation, I've helped dozens of women do the same. Okay? So take out your notepad and take notes. Listen, the number one thing that you need to have in order to lose 20 plus pounds, the right mindset. I got to talk about it. See, going on a weight loss journey or a weight loss transformation or any type of body transformation, you have to have the proper mentality, right? You on this video for a reason. So that means everything that you've done up to this point has not worked. See, we got to be real with ourselves here, right? You have to make a vow to yourself that you are not going to surrender nor retreat. This is mindset. I will always talk mindset with all of my clients. I make sure that they have the proper mindset before we even get into the diet, before we even get into the nutrition, before we even get into the workout plans. You need to have the proper mindset. And I love telling this story. Back when I started my weight loss journey in 2019, I made a pact, a vow to myself. I said, Jazz, I am going to look like I am someone's trainer. That was mindset, man. Before I even knew what to do in the gym, before I even changed up my nutrition, I made a promise, a vow to myself. That's all mindset. You've made the New Year's resolution how many years? And you're still overweight? You still not where you want to be? You still lacking the confidence? Obviously, what you have been doing has not gotten you the right results in which you're seeking. So you have to make a decision and you have to cut off. You have to cut off all deviations. I mean, you can't give yourself a choice to fail. Okay? So that's number one. That's mindset. I'm not going to get super deep into that right now. I have other videos in which I talk about the mindset and the psychology on what it takes to lose weight. Okay? But I just want to talk about that very briefly. You have to have the proper mindset, the tenacity and the self-discipline whenever you don't want to get up, because there are going to be days when you do not want to eat right. There are going to be days when you do not want to lift weights. There are going to be days like that. What is going to withstand you? The mindset. Okay? So that's number one. Number two, order for you to make a transformation, 20 plus pounds, you need to lift heavy shit. You need to lift weights. Cardio is not going to do it. Cardio will not do it. Cardio is going to help your cardiovascular health. It is going to help your heart health, right? It is going to help your blood flow, your blood pressure. However, cardio does not aid in total body composition. You will not mold yourself into the toned up version in which you see yourself. You're not going to do that with cardio. You're simply going to be a smaller, flabbier version of yourself. It is what it is. So you have to get on a strength training protocol, progressively overloading every week to 2 weeks. This means that whenever you go to the gym, you need to go to the free weight section. I'm not saying that machines aren't good, but in order for you to get the bang for your buck, you need to go to those squat racks. I'm going to tell you, I'm about to lay out everything you need. Write your notes. What you need to focus on. I'm going to give you basic movements that you need to implement. You need to focus on back squats, deadlifts, incline chest press, bent over rows, and all of these are with the barbell. Back squats, deadlifts, incline chest press, bent over rows. Okay, you need to do some standing overhead press. Okay, you need to do some barbell hip thrust. You start off by doing those, okay? And if you want to add some other movements, you can do walking dumbbell lunges. You can even do some shoulder raises with the dumbbells. You can do bicep curls. But those compound movements in which I gave you with the barbell, once again, back squats, deadlifts, overhead press, standing, incline chest press, bent over rows, barbell hip thrust. You do those 3 to 4 sets between 9 to 11 reps. If you can do more than 11 reps, the weight is too light. If you can't do 9 reps, the weight is too heavy. So that's how you gauge what weight to put on the bar. Okay? I'm giving you the whole workout plan right now. I'm giving you the whole workout plan. Matter of fact, listen, I'm going to say this. If you're seeking bespoke training, coaching, consulting, book on a call with me down below. I'm going to put my link in the description and also pinned in the comments, okay? Now, the reason you want to focus on these compound movements is because you're going to get more bang for your buck. You're going to continuously throughout your day burning calories. Now, if you only focus on cardio and machine work, yeah, you're getting work in. However, you're not going to be maximizing the caloric burn in which you can be burning after the gym. And see, when you prioritize compound lifts, more muscles are being utilized, which means you're going to be burning more calories throughout the session. It's more core dominant, right? You're not only focusing on one movement in which you will be doing on a machine. You're not only focusing on one muscle group. When you do things with the barbell, that is a total body movement. Okay, that is going to help you continuously burn calories, okay? So you want to focus on progressively overloading. Also, with your 3 sets, start off your first set, 11 reps. Second set, 10 reps. Third set, 9 reps. Every single set, you increase the weight. Okay? You do that for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, now you up the weight. So you up the weight in which you're putting on for 11 reps. You're upping the weight in which you're putting on for 10 reps. You're upping the weight. So on and so forth. Okay? So that's that. Now, the third thing in which you need to implement within your daily routine in order for you to lose 20 plus pounds of stubborn fat, intermittent fasting. Now, I know that you have heard that, you got to eat 4 or 5 times a day, 4 or 5 small meals a day. I'm going to tell you something about that. See, when you do that, you are continuously spiking your blood sugar levels. Okay? This is good if you are seeking to gain more muscle mass. However, you tapped on this video because you're seeking to lose stubborn body fat. And the best way in order for you to lose fat, and this is not only for my anecdotal experiences, this is widely researched. The best way in order for you to cut fat is by intermittent fasting. When you go hours without eating, your body goes into a process called ketosis. Okay? Ketosis is when your body starts to take and strip fat cells for energy because you have depleted all of the sugar from the food in which you consumed. Okay? I'm gonna park right here. Ketosis is when, after you've been fasted for about a good 16, 18 hours, you flushed out all of the previous food that you've eaten a couple hours ago or a day ago. Now your body, our bodies are so great, man. Your body starts to take fat cells for energy. This is called ketosis. Okay? Now, another reason why intermittent fasting is so important is you're allowing your body to really rest and digest. Okay? When you're continuously eating like that, your body is not going to have any time to rest. Okay? This is going to help you to recover even better. I wanted to give you the top 3 things in which you need to implement. These are actionable steps that you can add right now in your daily routine. We talked about the mindset, making a vow to yourself, cutting off all distractions, keeping that promise to yourself that you will not surrender and you will not retreat on this journey to transform yourself. Okay? Is mental. Number 2, we talked about getting in the weight room, strength training, prioritizing compound lifts, things with the barbell. We talked about squats. We talked about deadlifts, hip thrusts, overhead press, incline bench press, barbell bent over rows. All of these, you need to do these 3 to 4 sets, 9 to 11 reps, progressively overloading this every 2 weeks or so. And lastly, we talked about intermittent fasting. Okay? I'm going to give you an actionable step within the intermittent fasting. I start all of my beginners off with a 12-hour fast. You can cut off eating at 8, 9 p.m. and you don't eat again until 8 to 9 a.m. There's no snacking in the nighttime. Only thing that you snack on is water. And in the morning, if you need something, black coffee, light, lemon water. You can add your lemon lime water and all that, but nothing. Okay, if you've already are equipped to the 12-hour fast, then I graduate you to the 16-8 fast. Okay, this is when we fast consecutively for 16 hours and you eat within an 8-hour window. Okay, and then over time you can shorten that window. You do 16-8 fast, then you do 18-6, and then you can do what I did. When I first started intermittent fasting, I did OMAD. I did 1 meal a day. But I'm not going to start you off there. If you are a beginner, you start off 12 hours, you master that, then you add on hours, okay? I'm going to do a 16-8 this week. Next week, I'm going to do 18-6. Then I'm going to work my way up to an OMAD, okay? So these are 3 actionable steps that you can implement right now in order for you to lose 20 plus pounds of stubborn fat. Okay, I've done it for myself. I've helped dozens of other women do the same as well. Listen, I have other resources for you to help aid you on your weight loss journey. Check out all of my ebooks, Fast and Flourish. This is your blueprint, essentially. I give you the blueprint within this ebook. Okay, it's called Fast to Flourish. Helps you to lose fat, build more energy, okay, and alleviate stress, right? I have that. I also have my recipe book. Okay, I'm giving you 20 whole foods, natural recipes that you can implement if you don't know what to cook. Okay, also, I am doing consultations. If you want to get some advice from me over your specific journey, if you just need more clarity, if this video was good but you need a little bit more clarity on your personal journey, tap in with me. I also have a coaching link down there. You can tap in with me, okay? And lastly, if you're seeking your tribe, right? A community of people who are seeking to mold themselves into their most healthiest version, mentally, physically, and spiritually, tap into the Soulful Healers. Okay, in there I do group calls every single week. Okay, and I also help, everybody comes and they share their values, they share different things that they're doing on their journey. It's just a hub of people on the same type time mentally, right? And you also get discounts on all of my products if you're in the Soulful Healers group, okay? Listen, this is simple. All you have to do is implement this consistently on a daily basis and you will see results. All right? It's your girl Avanti, and I'm out. Love.